Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your profile picture in Heartopia. So go to tab here and click on your profile. Here's where you can change just the photo, but to change your profile, like your avatar, select edit avatar instead. You can also edit your nickname, but I'm just editing my avatar. You can select the one that you already have, but if you want to take a picture of a new one, you can press this plus button. You can change the background color here. Wait, this one's cute. Okay, it's not very visible, but it's still cute. And then you can also change the positioning, I guess, like the poses. And then here you can change your facial expressions, and here you can kind of move them sideways to the right or to the left here. You can also drag them like this, and once you're done, you're just going to press confirm, and to change it to the new one, press this and change. But I like this one, so I'm just going to do that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!